Pocket microscope with a powerful 60x-120x magnification range. Precision molded aspheric lenses provide superior optics. Designed to be compact, lightweight and portable. Remove the battery before storing the microscope for an extended period. Bright LED light is powered by one AA battery, not included. For best results, place the base of the microscope flush against a flat viewing surface. Ensure the LED lighting is switched on. Start focusing on the lowest magnification setting, 60x. Once you have a clear view of your subject, increase the magnification to your desired level. You may need to slightly adjust the focus again slightly. Top reviews from the United States. I am not a passionate review writer, but in this case I have to. I have two large microscopes, am biologist, but the small pocket microscope is unbeatably practical, built-in lighting, and the image quality is more than acceptable. Clear buying recommendation. With the poppy seed I photographed here, you have to remember that it is three-dimensional. For flat objects, the image is extremely sharp to the edge.